Hi, let's have a quick look through the ShipMyCar client portal. This is available for all clients of ShipMyCar and provides an easy-to-use place to manage all of your current quotes, services and statuses. Active shipments will appear here. Click into a job to see more. As you can see, we provide real-time container tracking if applicable. The checklist allows you to easily review and upload any required documentation. On the Photos tab, we upload photos when and where available. Here we have the options screen for you to quickly add various options, such as a full valet or a tracker system to your account. The workshop screen is updated directly from our specialist technicians, allowing you to review and authorize works to your vehicle, plus the ability to view images of any issues our team need you to see. Finally, we have the financials page allowing you to review your current account and make payment via card or bank transfer at any time. We hope you have enjoyed watching this short video. If you have any questions or would like further information, please visit our website www.shipmycar.co.uk.